Zhenjiang is a prefecture-level city under the jurisdiction of Jiangsu Province and an important port of tourist city in the area of the Yangtze River Delta. If you want to know the story of the white flag dolphin, also known as the goddess of the Yangtze River, this is a place you must visit. The Zhenjiang White Flag Dolphin Nature Reserve is a provincial-level wetland nature reserve in Jiangsu Province. The total area is 57.3 square kilometers, of which the core area is 32.8 square kilometers. It has a tropical monsoon climate, with an average annual temperature of 15.5 centigrade, yearly rainfall of 1,070 millimeters, and annual sunshine hours of 2,057 hours. White flag dolphin is a small freshwater whale unique to the Yangtze River area in China, with a mouth resembling a sword, a body resembling a spindle, and a lung to breathe. The white flag dolphin is a rare dolphin species living in freshwater dubbed underwater giant panda. But now it is hard to catch a glimpse of the beautiful creature, for their number is getting smaller. But we are committed to protecting the ecological environment habitat for white flag dolphins to welcome them to return home one day. Miss Su believes that in the near future, there will be more white flag dolphins live and thrive in Zhenjiang. That is all for this episode of Find Beauty with Miss Su. Guess which cities we will travel to in the next episode. You can leave your answer below. Here are some hints: garden, animal,